Hello planner friends, my name is Sarah and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you stay optimized and organized and have fun at the same time. And what could be more fun than using stickers to plan your week? I got this sticker kit from Stickerguru and it's not a traditional like Valentine stick kit. It's more like of a content creator type of thing. It's a collab they did with the Angel shop. They had like the transparent sticky notes and this super cute pen, which it's a ballpoint pen, so I don't have a lot of use for it. I'll try to swap out for a gel pen. But this is what it looks like. The full boxes are just gorgeous. The pinks, there's like so many different shades of pink, which if y'all know me, I love the color pink. Like it's present everywhere. And this, like the foiled elements are gorgeous in the kit. The deco, I almost like don't even want to use the deco. I think I just used one in the whole kit. This collab came with like your mystery boxes with Stickerguru. They come with different elements. It had like these header foil covers, the date dots, these little like super cute banners. It had these dangling stars, which now that I realize it, I didn't even use them and they're so darn cute. So let's get started with this week. Apart from being Valentine's Day week, essentially, one of my best friends in the world, she's coming to visit me all the way from California. We hadn't seen each other in so many years because I moved to Mexico, she stayed in California, and then I saw her in December and we connected again, and she's like, I want to go see you because I've been telling her about coming over to Texas. So I am really excited about that. I'm going to be planning for that. And this kit is like a perfect reminder of friendship. I don't know why pink reminds me of friendship. So I'm really excited. I'm laying down my date covers. And y'all, I apologize. I have a sore throat. So sorry about that. Let's take a moment to admire these full boxes. They are the most adorable. I think this is my favorite kit in the entire world. One, because I feel like it's been quite a journey for me to be like a content creator. I feel like I have achieved a level of success like in my content creator journey, especially planning, because I love planning. It's literally like my passion. But at the same time, I'm not where I want to be. I have a lot of work to do. So this kit was a great reminder and partially why I got this kit in the first place. It's a wild ride for me. Like I've been on YouTube for more than a year now, on Instagram and everything, just sharing my planners. I've had so much support from everyone here in the community. So thank you all. I'm so emotional. I just celebrated my birthday. There were so many people that reached out and I felt like so special. My husband has been incredibly supportive. My sister, my cousin, they have been there with me like along the way. So this kit is kind of like a way to put it on paper. I don't know. I know it sounds really cheesy, but that's the way I'm feeling right now. I'm just enjoying every step of the way. So moving on to a different topic, I want to talk about Valentine's Day. Like, do you actually celebrate it? Do you celebrate it with your loved one, with your partners, or do you do like Galentines? Let me know in the comments how you celebrate it. Honestly, like in my relationship, my husband and I, we always joke around that we just celebrated Valentine's, like the first 2 years of our relationship. We've been together for 10 years. So 8 out of those years, like, it's gone unnoticed. We don't really care too much for it. And partially because we're two practical people. And just a quick break here. I'm adding some Cactus Paper Co. stickers because the colors from the functionals just matched perfectly. And I always need more like quarter boxes. I use a lot of quarter boxes in my planning, and sometimes there's not enough in these kits. I mean, everybody plans differently, and the way Stickerguru kits are structured, like there's a lot of different shapes in the kits, which works out fine, but sometimes I just need more of those quarter boxes to add to my week. This is how the first half of the week turned out. I am in love. I love it so much. Now we're gonna get started with the second side, laying down my washi. So let me know what you think about Valentine's Day. Like, I know some people are just like, oh my god, it's just a way to spend money. Like, roses are incredibly expensive. Like, celebrate your love every day rather than just once a year. And I kind of agree with that. I feel like in my case, my husband and I were like very good about sharing our love throughout the year. We don't need just this one day to tell us, to remind us that we need to be on top of our, affection or something like that. So that's kind of how I feel. And these balloons are just so adorable. I had to use them somewhere in this spread. I'm pulling all the stops with this spread because, again, like, I am so excited for this week. My friend, she arrives at the airport on Friday the 17th, and then we're gonna spend like President's Day together. I'm pulling in this weekend banner from the Erin Condren sticker book. These kits, again, don't come with like a weekend banner. And I know a lot of people say, like, why do you even have to have it? Old habits die hard. I feel like I'm the older generation of planning. Like, does anybody remember no white space planning, where you completely just covered every single part of your planner? Like, you literally could not see any white space anywhere. Yeah, I'm from that generation. I remember doing no white space at a certain point back in like 2016 or 2017. And since then, my planning style has changed. But at the same time, it's still quite similar to what it was. Like, I feel a lot of people in the planner community, and correct me if I'm wrong, they started off with Erin Condren and now they use different planners, they use different layouts. For a lot of people, it remains like this vertical layout, but some people have switched to like hourly and to just different planners, like planners that don't have anything on them, like as compared to the Erin Condren, where you have this layout in these specific colors. I feel people have kind of strayed away from that, but my planning style just stays the same. It's changed a bit, but more into foils, but in its core, it's the same vertical planning I've always done. Now, I love how these Hello Petit Paper coffee cups look with the Stickerguru stickers. They just look so adorable. I pull in a lot of Hello Petit Paper. I actually probably need to place an order because I love her functionals. And this was a freebie from some washi tape I got from this planner company. I'll link it below. I just loved these little like pictures because I'm creating memories. Like, that's how I see it with my friend Lucy coming in. A lot of just memories are there. I'm using this Lexi Kylie Designs airplane, and trying to find different ways I can mark this occasion. Like, I love this positive pastel because I'm so excited. I'm using my Pentel Energel. I think this is my new favorite pen. I love the 0.5 now. I've been a 0.7 tip for the longest time, and I just changed to 0.5 and I love it. And especially with these pens, I scheduled a boat ride for Sunday to go with my friend in Austin. So I'm really excited. It's like a vintage boat. It was supposed to be for my birthday, but the weather was bad, so I rescheduled it. And I'm using this Fox and Cactus to get motivated. I really need to work out. Like, I have not been working out, y'all, and my body's really feeling it. It's really bad. I was trying to find a heart. I couldn't find a heart anywhere. And then I finally remembered this one, like rose gold from an old Erin Condren sticker book to mark Valentine's Day. I just want to write it down in my planner. Not that I'm gonna like really celebrate it, but I really wanted to mark it and make it special. And this is what my week looked like. I'm gonna be feeling it throughout the week, but it looks so gorgeous. This is one of my favorite spreads I've ever done. And these are the stickers that were left over. I didn't use any of the deco. I don't know how to use it. And then this is all that was left over. Like, with these Stickerguru kits, like, you get a lot of use. You probably use them up a lot, but you still have leftovers that you can probably put in your journal. If you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more planner content. I'd love to have you around, hear from you. Watch this video next. Thank you. Bye.